In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable show PAL formats for camera record video in iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. I'll tap on Settings, give it a moment to load, and now I'm looking at the main list of options. From here, I'm going to scroll down until I see Accessibility. There it is, so I'll tap on Accessibility and go inside. This section contains a bunch of system level controls, and we're going to move through here to reach the camera recording settings. Now that I'm inside accessibility, I'm scrolling down through the list. I'm just swiping upward and keeping an eye out for camera. I'll keep moving until I find it, and once I do, I'll tap on camera to open up those settings. Alright, I'm in the camera settings now. From here, I'm going to tap on record video. That takes me into the screen where recording formats and frame rate options are managed. Once I'm on this page, I'm looking for the toggle labelled Show PAL Formats. It should be right here among the options, so I'll tap the switch to turn it on. As soon as I do that, the toggle changes to show it's enabled, which means PAL format options will now appear in the recording choices. And if you ever want to disable it later, you can come right back here and tap the same toggle again to turn it off. There's nothing else to confirm or save because the setting applies instantly. I'll pause here for a second just to make sure the toggle stayed where I set it. Everything looks good, so I can go ahead and back out using the navigation at the top. It's always fine to quickly double check before leaving the screen. From here, I'm done making changes, so I'll exit out of settings and return to the home screen. That's all you need to do, and you can follow these same steps anytime you want to enable or disable the Show PAL Formats option again.